Get set to do your dirty work with the Pressure Joe electric pressure washer. Packed with 1,800 watts of power, Pressure Joe delivers a mighty blast, up to 2,030 pounds per square inch, to demolish every bit of dirt. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Pump up to 1.76 gallons every minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles. From intense jet to gentle spray, Pressure Joe makes light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Clean smart with Pressure Joe's built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Mix it up with 2 onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with this, another one with that. Now you're ready to fight dirt. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture and cars, Pressure Joe cleans them all. Weighing only 31 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels easily from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe. Pressure Joe from Sun Joe. Get equipped.